it's your island girl, and I'm back with another video for you today. And guys, I'm reacting to someone new, Morrisette. I hope I said that right. And it's Fly Like a Bird. That's a Maria cover. I've never heard of her before, so I am excited to do this one. Guys, we are going to get straight into this video. I hope you do enjoy it, guys. So let's get straight into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you will be notified each time I upload a video from Mondays through to Saturdays. Guys, thank you so much for becoming a part of my family. I appreciate it so much. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay now, guys. Did you all just hear that? Did you? Maria, watch out. She's coming. Let's see what she got, guys. Let's see if she have them pipes.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of.
Sure wasn't expecting that. Guys, she is good. She is awesome. Listen to me. She is killing this song. You all know she's killing this song. She is hitting the notes the right way. I'm excited for this one. Let me continue to check her out.
You by my side, sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now.
Guys, she is awesome. Yes, guys, she is killing it. She is definitely killing it. And the band. Are you guys checking out the band? They are in harmony. Everybody is doing their thing. The guitarist. Oh my word. They are. The harmony is just right. Her notes are perfect. Okay. Yeah. I'm feeling it.
Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. Believe the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. To pray you'll come and carry me home.
Wow. And I just realized I'm here taking in all the music and listening to her voice, and I heard that ta-da-da-da in the background, but I wasn't really paying attention to see that, guys. It was actually the band members that are is the backup. Featuring, I don't know how to read them names, but Donis and Kiko. Wow, this is something else. This is just perfect. The pitch is just spot on. I know you. Maria, she's coming. She's good. She is good. She is great. She's hitting them notes just right. Not off key. Yeah, she got them pipes, people. She got the pipes, huh? Woo! I sure wasn't expecting her to go that high. Nah. She was off that chain, people. You gotta give it to her. That was strictly amazing, epic, superb. Ooh, first time hearing about her. Have never seen her, heard her music, nothing before. And I'm just basking in this one, guys. Ooh. Nah. That was just awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for sitting out another one with your island girl. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Join the Island Girl family. I'd really appreciate you guys coming on board and hanging with your girl. I upload videos 2 times each day. Check them out in the morning and in the evening. Well, morning my time, Alaska time. Yes, I'm all the way in Alaska. Guys, I'm going to let you guys know me a little better. For those who are new to the family, thank you so much. I appreciate it to the fullest. But before I get out of here, you know what I say before I get out of here. Here comes my co-host, so I need to rush out of here. What do I say before I get out of here, guys? Walk good. Until next time, your island girl is saying what?